Hi guys, I just want to tell you to welcome to another episode of Chat Jamaican with Tania, right? As you can see, my name is Tania and welcome. And this is where I will teach you about my Jamaican patois, and I will be providing you with the help needed and ideas on how to speak the language. I am a proud Jamaican on a mission, teaching the language, learning with you. So, right now, I'm going to teach you about the days of the week in Jamaican patois. The days of the week, isn't that interesting? Now, the days of the week, on the board here, we have two columns, which is a Jamaican Standard English. So we're going to write the English form for the days of the week, and then we're going to translate Patois or the Creole. And I have identified or told you before earlier in previous videos what the Patois is, right? So please rewatch those videos so that you can have a better understanding of the language and going forward. Now, what we want to do before we begin is just to sing the days of the week. I remember when I was in basic school or kindergarten, and we used to do the days of the week. So this is giving me the opportunity to sing that song. So I just want you to sing with me. Alright, so let us begin. The days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So let us begin. The first word that we want to start with is Monday. So Monday is spelled M-O-N-D-A-Y. I am also left-handed, so I have to do this to write Monday. Now, the patois for Monday is Monday. So you have Monday, which is a Jamaican Standard English, and here you have Monday. Monday. So let me quickly use that in a sentence. What me I gonna do Monday morning? What me I gonna do Monday morning? What am I going to do Monday morning? Right? So Monday. So the A here is changed to E, and it gives you a shorter sound. Monday. Day. So you have Monday. Monday. The next day we are going to look at is Tuesday, and Tuesday is spelled T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. This is the English version of the word Tuesday. Now, the patois for Tuesday is Choosedey. So they will say Choosedey. Me I go a doctor Choosedey. So the patois or the Creole for the word Tuesday is Choosedey. Now, Wensday. Let us write the word Wensday. Wensday. Can you guess this one? What it will be in patois? Alright. If you notice the day here, the A remains. The A remains and the word is shortened. So the D and the E would have been missing, but the A remains. So we say Wednesday, Wednesday. We stress the day on the Wednesday, but we shortened. So for the Wednesday, the patois is Wednesday. Alright? Let us look at Thursday now. Thursday, Thursday. This is the English. Thursday. So the patois for Thursday would be, we Jamaicans, we would say Tersdey. 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 So this spelling Thurs, right? And remember, you know, this is broken language, African and the English compiled together. So broken language. So Thursday, Thursday, Thursday. So let us look at Friday, and I know that you will get this one because it gets easier as you go along. So Friday, and this is the English translation of the word Friday, but how would I write it in patois? Very good. It would have been Friday. And a lot of persons, they love to say, thank God it's Friday. But here we say, thank God it's Friday. Thank God a Friday, right? Thank God a Friday. So Friday is in English, Friday. Friday is the Patois or Creole translation, the Jamaican Patois or Creole. Now, let me write the word Saturday. Saturday, and this one is very easy. Who could guess the Patois for the word Saturday? And it is Satdey. Satdey. And in Jamaica, we love to cook a lot of Satdey soup, right? If you go to every house in Jamaica on Saturdays, you say, holy pa Satdey soup. Holy pa Satdey soup. Everybody have a pot of Satdey soup. So, the English Saturday and the Patois is Satdey. And if you get this one and I write the word Sunday, this is very easy. Very, very easy. Right? Sunday. Sunday. S-U-N-D-E-Y. Sunday. Right? So we go to church on Sundays. So you have Sunday and then you have Sunday. So let me just do a quick review. Alright? So we have two columns on the board, the Jamaican Standard English, and we also have the Patois or the Creole. Monday, the Patois for Monday is Mondey. Tuesday, Choosedey. Wensday, Wensday. Thursday, Tersdey. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Satdey. Sunday, Sunday. Now, what we did earlier, we sang the days of the week in the English. So now you think that it is best that we try singing the days of the week in Patois. Starting with the Monday here that we have it on the board. And let us see how it works out. So let us begin. The days of the week in Jamaican Patois are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Guys, you can practice. This is very easy. You can use the words to make sentences. These are the days of the week and you will relate to it every day. You can interact with them and you can email me, send me an email, ask me to translate for you so that you could get the correct pronunciation of the word that you're needed to be translated. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe and leave your comments below. Yeah man, thanks for watching. Little more, alright?